Food, Nutrition and Hygiene, minor subject, BA, BSc, BCom, first semester, BU Jhansi, Unit 2, Part 3, question number 193 to question number 288. Question number 193, which protein is found in almonds? Option C, MN9. Question number 194, vegetable ghee is not manufactured by. Option D, cashew. Question number 195, non-essential amino acid are self-produced in the body due to presence of option A and 2. Question number 196, which substance is most necessary for the growth of body and the formation of new cell? Option D, protein. Question number 197, the element found in maximum quantity in the human body is option D, calcium. Question number 198, pepsin is an option B, enzyme. Question number 199, hemoglobin and cytochrome component is option C, iron. Question number 200, which scientist first described protein as the substance to take the first place? Option A, Mulder. Question number 201, which of the following is an essential amino acid? Option D, all of these. Question number 202, which of the following is not an essential amino acid? Option C, cysteine. Question number 203, the biological value of vegetable protein is option C, 20 to 25%. Question number 204, which of the following is an essential amino acid? Option D, all of the. Question number 205, who named the protein? Option A, Bergelius and Mulder. Question number 206, starch convert to dextrine. Option A, exposure to heat. Question number 207, magnesium is used in. Option D, all of these. Question number 208, which of the following is a mineral element? Option D, all of these. Question number 209, the mineral element whose deficiency causes goiter in human? Option A, iodine. Question number 210, how many minerals are in salt required in human body? Option D, 24. Question number 211, calcium, phosphorus and magnesium which make up. Option B, formation of teeth and bone. Question number 212, what is the formula of polysaccharide? Option B, C6H10O5. Question number 213, what is needed to increase the absorption and the utilization of calcium? Option A, lactose. Question number 214, what is the consequences of the excess of carbohydrate? Option C, obesity increase. Question number 215, pure air contains the largest amount of. Option B, nitrogen. Question number 216, which chemical substance is used to purify the water? Option C, potassium permanganate. Question number 217, monosaccharide has. Option D, all of these. Question number 218, approximately how much grams of glycogen is stored in liver? Option A, 100 gram glycogen. Question number 219, which of the following has least oxygen atom? Option B, lipid. Question number 220, which sugar is not found in the plant kingdom? Option A, galactose. Question number 221, which sugar is found in abundance in fruit and vegetable? Option A, monosaccharide. Question number 222, in what form is phosphorus present in cereals? Option B, phosphoric ether. Question number 223, what are the special things to keep in mind while buying any item? Option D, all of these. Question number 224, which water is beneficial for drinking but not useful for cooking and washing cloth? Option C, water obtained from saline sources. Question number 225, at what centigrade does the water turns into white snow? Option A, 0 degree Celsius. Question number 226, to prevent adulteration, the government has passed an act in Indian Parliament which was implemented in. Option B, 1 June 1954. Question number 227, the first attempt to preserve food and vegetable by sealing them in the box was made in 1975-80 by Nicholas Appert. Option C, Nicholas Appert. Question number 228, a scientist named Louis Pasteur discovered in AD that the bacteria are the main cause of spoilage of food item? Option B, 1816 AD. Question number 229, what is a distilled water? Option A, water that impure. Question number 230, what should be done to preserve egg for long time? There is no fridge. Option B, should be kept in cold water of lime. Question number 231, pure water has electricity? Option A, bad conductor. Question number 232, what do when preserving rice? Option B, keeping rice with salt or lime does with not have insect. Question number 223, which organism destroy the food item? Option D, all of these. Question number 234, destroy grains by. Option D, all of these. Question number 235, the appropriate method of purifying water at home level is. Option A, boiling. Question number 236, the brightness is found in pure water due to. Option B, caused by carbon dioxide. Question number 237, sulfur spring is beneficial in Dehradun. Option C, for skin disease. Question number 238. The water of a lake should be drinking. Option C, boiling. Question number 39. Consumption of sprouted potato cause disease. Option C, vomiting, jaundice and diarrhea. Question number 240. The conversion of water into vapor. Option A, physical change. Question number 241. A person daily requirement of blood. Option B, 0.5 to 0.9 gram. Question number 242. What is the excess of sodium on the body? Option A, it increase the blood pressure. Question number 243. Approximately how much grams of magnesium all present in the body of an adult person? Option B, 20 to 28%. Question number 244. What is the percentage of sulfur in protein? Option C, 1%. Question number 245. Iodized salt is given in the treatment of which disease? Option A, goiter. Question number 246. The amount of calcium found in wheat. Option D, 4.8 milligram per 100 gram. Question number 247. Which of the following substances should be taken in moderation by patient has high blood pressure? Option B, sodium. Question number 248. Jaundice is related to which part of human body? Option C, liver. Question number 249. Which vitamin help the full in absorption of iron? Option C, vitamin A. Question number 250. Approximately how many milligram of iodine is there in the body? Option A, 22 milligram. Question number 251. How much iodine is there in thyroid gland? Option B, 15 milligram. Question number 252. Osteomalacia disease is caused due to deficiency of which mineral? Option B, calcium. Question number 253. Osteoporosis disease is caused by deficiency of option C, calcium. Question number 254. Deficiency of iodine causes which disease during pregnancy? Option A, goiter. Question number 255. Magnesium deficiency caused by option D, all of these. Question number 256. Which mineral salt is found in blood plasma? Option D, both A and B, sodium and chlorine. Question number 257. What is the pH value of the blood in body? Option number A, 7.3 to 7.4. Question number 258. What is the amount of calcium stored in the body of a newly born baby? Option number D, 27.5 gram. Question number 259. Deficiency of which of the following vitamin lead to increase in calcium loss in urine? Option D, vitamin D. Question number 260. Which of the following is not produced in our body? Option A, vitamin A. Question number 261. Which vitamin is called franquinine? Option C, vitamin K2. Question number 262. The vitamin that helps in the prevent infection in human body is option number A, vitamin A. Question number 263. The absence of vitamin causes the calcium deficiency in the body. Option C, D. Question number 264. In which of the following forms does the vitamin B complex function? Option A, coenzyme. Question number 265. Deficiency of which vitamin causes scurvy disease? Option C, C. Question number 266. The deficiency of which vitamin A causes? Option C, night blindness. Question number 267. Highest energy calories are produced by? Option C, groundnut. Question number 268. Which vitamin prevents the vitamin A and carotene from being oxidized? Option D, vitamin E. Question number 269. Which nutrients are destroyed due to destruction of rice? Option C, thiamine, nicotinic acid. Question number 270. Which vitamin is not present in pulses? Option C, vitamin C. Question number 271. Which is the chemical name of vitamin B? Option B, tocopherol. Question number 272. Which is in the anti-sterility vitamin? Option B, vitamin E. Question number 273. Where does the absorption of vitamin D take place? Option A, small intestine. Question number 274. What is the chemical name of vitamin D? Option B, calciferol. Question number 275. Deficiency of vitamin D causes which disease in adult? Option A, osteomalacia. Question number 276. Which vitamin is necessary for good eye health? Option B, vitamin A. Question number 277. Celiac disease is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? Option A, vitamin D. Question number 278. Which of the following vitamin contain cobalts? Option D, B12. Question number 279. Which vitamin deficiency cause wrinkles in the skin? Option B, biotin. Question number 280. Deficiency of which vitamin lead to urine stone? Option B, vitamin A. Question number 281. Pyoderma is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? Option A, vitamin A. Question number 282. What are the carotenoids are called? Option A, provitamin A. Question number 283. Which vitamin deficiency causes anemia? Option D, all of these. Question number 284. Which vitamin is oxidized in the retina of the eye? Option A, vitamin A. Question number 285. Which vitamin converts to aldehyde and gives the power to see the eyes? Option C, vitamin A. Question number 286. Where the absorption of vitamin C take place? Option D. Option B, large intestine. Question number 287. Which food item has the highest amount of chlorine? Option number A, egg yolk. क्वेश्चन नंबर 288, विच विटामिन इज कॉल्ड हार्मोन विटामिन? ऑप्शन सी विटामिन डी। वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, जिससे आपके लिए ऐसे ही अच्छी वीडियो आती रहे इस चैनल पर। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर योर सपोर्ट।